Hello house hunters, and welcome to the Belmont West community. I'm Tracy, your neighborhood realtor, and today I'm here to show you why this amazing community will be the perfect place for you to call home.
Belmont community has a diverse range of home that suits any family's personality and needs. Each home is beautifully crafted with open floor plans, quality finishes, and thoughtful details that create a space that feels both comfortable and luxurious. Some of the most amazing amenities are in this neighborhood. We have resort-style pools, huge playground, tennis courts, walking and biking trails, fire pits, community elementary school, and so much more. Starbucks is coming soon to the area and will be brewing right in your backyard. Imagine this. You lace up your sneakers, grab a refreshing drink from Starbucks, and head out to explore miles of scenic walking trails right outside your doorstep. Belmont is a nature lover's paradise. Breathe in the fresh air, feel the sunshine on your skin, and reconnect with yourself and your loved ones on these beautiful trails. Every day is an adventure waiting to happen. Belmont has an elementary school within walking distance right inside the neighborhood. Belmont boasts a convenient shopping plaza with a brand new Publix right around the corner, and that's not all. Pamper yourself at the nail salon, grab a delicious pizza from Domino's, indulge in a sweet treat at the ice cream shop, enjoy fresh seafood at the local restaurant, or grab your prescriptions at the CVS pharmacy, all within walking distance or a short bike ride away. Ready to make the move? Come check out this new listing available for sale now in this incredible community. Welcome. Come right on in. Welcome to 9607 Channing Hill Drive in Sun City Center, Florida, an immaculately kept 5-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 2-car garage home. Priced right at $429,000. Finally, location, we are just minutes from major highways for a stress-free commute to downtown Tampa, MacDill Air Force Base, I-75, I-4, and beyond. Hope you enjoyed this tour. Email tracy.green@pitonsrealestate.com for a private showing.